In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade using Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to the Accounts tab down at the bottom, and you want to select whichever account you want to use. So, as you can see here, I have my demo standard account here, and of course, you can just tap on that arrow at the far top right of it to actually select the account you want to use. So here, I'm just going to use this one right now, and then I'm going to go down there at the bottom where it says Trade. So the second tab is the Trade tab. You want to tap on that. There we go. And then in here, you can basically see a bunch of different things you can trade. Now, of course, it's completely up to you whatever you trade. I'm just going to show you how to actually physically do it because I'm not a financial advisor. So at the top, you can see favorites, you can see most traded, then you can see top movers, majors, metals, crypto, stuff like that. So you have a bunch of different things. I'm just going to go to favorites over here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different things. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you this with an example of Bitcoin. Okay. So I'm simply going to tap on Bitcoin over here, which is the first one. And as you can see, there's a bunch of things you can do. So here, you basically can kind of see the chart here. You can go ahead and, of course, kind of analyze this, do some technical analysis, of course, whatever you want to do before you want to start your trading. And then whenever you're ready, at the bottom, you can see it says sell and buy. Now, whenever you tap on the sell and buy button, of course, this is how you trade. So I'm going to tap on the buy button right now. And as you can see, it's going to basically say regular and then volume. Now, if you want more options, you want to either like slide this bar up like this, or you can just press that button to the very far right. As you can see, it's like a setting button. So when you tap on that, there we go, you'll be able to pull that up as well. Now, in here, you have a few options. You could either place a market order, and a market order is essentially just the order which basically buys or sells at the current market price. So we can see the current market price at the very top there inside the chart, and basically that is your current price you can buy for or sell for. Okay, that's the market price. You have limit order, which basically buys at the specific price you set. So for example, if I want to go ahead and set a specific price over here where I want to buy, of course it's going to go ahead and do that. Now max over here, as you can see, is like it says on my screen, so I can't actually do this. I have to go minus, and there we go. It's going to allow me to do a basically buy order over here when the price reaches the amount you can see over there, so $89,166.77. Now, of course, it's up to you if you want to use that one, or you also have the stop over here, which is basically a stop order. Now, once you've done that, I'm just going to do this with the market order. You have to set the volume, so that is basically how much you want to either buy or sell. I'm going to just do 0.02 over here. And then you can also add in your take profits or stop losses if you want to, either on price, in USD, profit in percentages, or pips. And whenever you've done that, you can just tap on the confirm buy at the bottom, or of course you could sell. So if I tap on confirm buy over here, as you can see, the order has been opened, and I can go ahead and do the sell as well. And it's exactly the same thing, for the exception that you are selling, not buying. Okay, so of course, again, you have market, limit, and stop orders over here, and then you can go ahead and just confirm at the bottom, and you've successfully sold and opened your order as well. So that's basically how you do it, and yeah, that's how to trade inside Exness. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.